Shenzhen City Kaydeli Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited was established in 2012 and located in Shenzhen, China. Our company has rich experience in chiller industry, more than 10 years. Our main products include air-cooled chiller, water-cooled chiller, low-temperature chiller, and all kinds of water cooling machine. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. As a professional chiller supplier, we have professional teams who focus on product development and design, quality control, and inspection. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got EU and CE certification, and our company obtained after-sales 5-star certification, ISO 9001 certificates. Our products cover more than 100 industries, which can be widely used in plastic machinery, hospital, and other industrial fields. Our chillers are sell well all over the world, and we have many clients from Middle East, Southeast Asia, Russia, and we gain wide praises at home and abroad. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from local and overseas to cooperate with us for a win-win business.